Hi, I'm David Collins from Kansas City, and this segment is called The Capitol Visit. We went down to Washington, D.C., the Capitol, to visit our congressmen, senators, and to what a surprise, Congressman Emanuel Cleaver didn't want to see us. Guess he didn't have time. I guess he thought that, we were some wackos or something. Senator Claire McCaskill's office said that I didn't have anything, can't prove my case. It was a state case. Roy Blunt office was kind of pleasant. I mean, I talked to one of his staffers and he took down notes and we gave him our agenda, told him what lawless America stood for, and in hopes to change some legislation. But nevertheless, my case is about a false arrest case here in Kansas City against the Country Club Plaza, where I was forced to take 45,000 or go to jail. Caught it all on tape. If I didn't have the tape, then no one would believe me. But it's corruption at its best. It had a confidentiality order on it saying I couldn't tell anybody. But I'm telling everybody. So this is what goes on. This is what the people from lawless America are talking about. Undeniable proof. If you don't have proof, then you have no case. That's just the way they wanted it. They wanted to get me involved in an oral agreement with forced threats, with no stenographer present, a handshake ensued with apologies that were supposed to be given, but it wasn't. They told me they had the right to arrest me. They told me that if I didn't take the settlement, they would ruin the case. That's Judge John T. Malmer, Attorney Larry D. Coleman. I went to the bar. They didn't file judicial complaints. They didn't do anything. Guess they thought I was just plain old loony. But once you hear this story, you can go tell this. Hey, this is corruption caught on tape. My case number was case number 900389 CVWA. That's case 900389 CVWA. Well, they thought that they had me, but I got them. I just want you to listen to this segment here and decide for yourself. Look, can we see it? Can we see the file? See what file? See what file that's the thing? Because I have no file with the thing. You know that. It's not a thing. You know that. There ain't no record of that. Why not? Because it wasn't no point of it. You know that. It's very bad. Why? Why? Because how can I prove what I did? That's the point. That's what it said. Well, I can't say it's bullshit. You made it fit. You like fly on the wall, boy. You ain't got a home. You either get paid or you get caught. You got a choice. You got a choice. You got a choice. Well, as you can see, I didn't have a choice. And this is undeniable proof. So I just want you guys to know that, sometimes the system gets people in there that don't respect the rule of law. And they want to take matters in their own hands. But like I said, without proof, I would have looked like an idiot, like they wanted me to. They denied everything, even this tape. The federal marshals, I can't file a complaint. They won't let me. They're stopping me. They saying stuff like I'm a threat to the judge. Hey, this guy's a crook. He needs to be put in jail, just like the rest of the crooks. He's no different. See all these threats. Judge Malmer's law clerk, they're all going to be against me. I paid this man. Why did he get paid? Why is he still able to practice? Why is the judge still on the bench? And why am I allowed to break federal court order? Right now I got 100 copies of this CD. 102. Now I gave a couple to Lawless America and Claire McCaskill, Cleaver, and Roy Blunt. Senators and congressmen. They won't start proceedings. They're afraid. We elected them to do a job and do it well. But average citizens like me, I'm threatened for the rest of my life because I think the feds are going to come get me. I mean, I signed the paper, but I didn't want to go to jail. So, this is sad, but true. I mean, something needs to be done. We live in a lawless America. We really do. I wish we could change things, but maybe as a result of this, things will change.
Why do you feel we're going to let you make that free? Well, because I didn't have no case no one. You got a job? Let's go, my insurance is expected me to
Well, like I said, I returned the lady's wallet, got thrown in jail. But since it was J.C. Nichols' company, they bought off everybody. The police, the judges, Judge Stevens, Judge John T. Malmer, Larry Coleman, the defendant's attorney, everyone knew about this oral contract but me. Sad but true. But you know what? I paid for all this and still paying for it. Because right now I'm looking like, hey, these guys can do whatever they want. I'm lucky I'm not in jail. But if I ever go, this is the record that everyone should keep. Well, he continued to talk. The tape is like 45 minutes long, but right now, I'm just giving you guys the highlights of what really happened. But this type of thing should never happen. Well, like I said, what stays and what goes on in Vegas stays in Vegas, and what goes on behind the judge's chamber stays in the judge's chambers. But as I was saying, what we need to do is letting these guys be held accountable for their actions. Well, you can see all the threats of going to jail, getting paid, and getting screwed. You know, the Bar Association told me to go home once I mentioned it to them. But, like I said, this corruption at its best. Anything to save the empire. Yeah, I didn't want Judge Stephen to send the sheriffs after my ASS, as he said. But like I said, this is the facts. Like I said, undeniable proof, as Mr. Windsor says, Lawless America. Well, I'm a nobody, not just anybody. I'm one over 750 nobodies trying to change and save America. This is Dave Collins, and like I said, if you don't get it in writing, get them on tape. Peace.